Greetings my curious audience. In this video I will talk about how to make this Twitch stream recorder wait for your streamer come online. First of all, you can see my notes to set up this software on my environment, which is an Orange Pi 03. And also note that I already have installed another package that might need it, which is this one. So after finishing these steps, let's see what do I change on the Python code. In order to demonstrate it, I will copy it from here, and I just click here to copy all and paste it to the editor, and I put it on full screen. In this code, need to find a part that checks for whether the streamer is online. First, I find the 74th line. Under this, I must disable the print to avoid spamming until the streamer is offline. In order to do that, type here this character on the 99th line, and then let's find where is this function called. So I scroll down, and at the 156th line I found it, and here need to change the following. First, change this if to while, and then either remove or put this character here and here. And if you use this character to make the code avoid these lines, then make a new line, but you can use the previous line also and replace with this. And in case your text editor is not placing enough spaces before the text to make it in the same column as the previous, then you can keep pressing space until reaching the while, and then press space 2 more times. So this code does the same either if you remove these lines or leave it there. And also if I go up to the other one, I can do the same with this line, just delete it. But keep in mind that the line numbers above gonna change. Let's see how to do it in my environment. First, I create a screen that makes me able to leave it in the background. And then I must go to the directory, or the Windows users might be familiar with the folder expression. And then I type in this command to start. You might notice that I renamed it with the attempt word, and this happens when I start it. I type in a random Twitch streamer's name that is offline, and then it is waiting until the streamer comes online. And then by pressing Ctrl A and then D, it goes back. That makes me able to disconnect from my environment. And then typing in this command, I can check what's going on. And with Ctrl C, I can stop it. In the Python code, note one more number that you can find at the 79th line, the timeout. I haven't checked, but most likely this value means seconds. A little bit about the legal stuff. You should not record streamers without permission. In my case, I have a collab with a streamer that always starts with a 10 minutes intro screen. I set it to 60 seconds, which means I miss maximum 1 minute from the beginning. And also note one more remark. The stream link is the package that does the job, and when the stream has ads, these parts won't be recorded. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.